In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint animation in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to PowerPoint or looking to jazz up your existing presentations, these steps will guide you through adding animations to your slides, creating a dynamic and engaging experience for your audience. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have it installed, you can simply click on its icon to launch it. Once PowerPoint is open, it's time to navigate to the presentation you want to animate, locate the file, double-click to open it, and find the slide you wish to enhance with animation. The essential element for our animation today is an image. So let's go ahead and add that image to your slide. Head over to the top of your PowerPoint screen and click on the Insert tab. This tab is where you'll find all sorts of options for adding new elements to your slide, such as text, tables, and of course, images. Within the Insert tab, there's a section labeled Pictures. Click on this option and you'll see several choices pop up. Since we're interested in selecting an image already saved on your computer, click on this device. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's documents and images. Navigate to the photo you'd like to animate, select it, and hit the Insert button. Once your image is placed on the slide, you may find it helpful to resize it to fit your design needs. You can easily do this by clicking and dragging the corners of the image to make it larger or smaller. Now that your image is in position, it's time to really breathe some life into it with animation. Navigate over to the Animations tab, which, much like the Insert tab, resides at the top of your PowerPoint interface. This tab is where all the magical animation tools are housed. Before we go any further, ensure your presentation is fully open to seamlessly apply these animations. You'll notice a drop-down menu on the Animations tab. Click it and a variety of animation options will appear. From simple fades and fly-ins to more complex motion paths, select the one that best fits the tone of your presentation. Try out a few to see which you like best. Finally, animation isn't just about movement. Timing plays a big role too. Right next to the animation options, there's a place to set the duration of your chosen animation, as well as any delay you'd like before it starts. Play around with these settings until the movement feels natural. And there you have it, you've successfully added animation to your PowerPoint presentation, making it much more engaging. The great thing about PowerPoint is its flexibility, allowing you to always return to tweak or refine the animations until they perfectly match your vision. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to create animations in PowerPoint.